this is actually cool water, and you can see also how Dawn suds up really nicely like that. I mean, I just gave it a mild squirt. Now, when you're washing wool, friends, and squeezing out the excess water, never twist your wool and wring it. Like if I'm washing a pair of socks or a shirt or something, cotton, wringing it is fine, or a towel, but do not ever twist your wool, because these fibers, you can break your wool fibers, and that's bad news. You just want to squeeze wool. I'm also going to rub the leather palms gently together and along the finger areas to get that, try to get as much dirt as I can off that leather. So we're gonna do one more rinse cycle. Just get it till the water's relatively clear. After drying the wool gloves flat on a towel for a couple days actually before these leather palms got dry, I'm rubbing a homemade mixture here of beeswax and shea butter. This is very easy to make, about half and half, pure beeswax and pure shea butter. Let that cool, and this makes for a beautiful conditioner I use on leather boots, anything leather, leather palms of your gloves. It's a very good conditioner for the leather, as well as a waterproofing material. And then just take your thumb, your fingers, and go along and gently rub that conditioner into the leather palms, the beeswax shea butter conditioner.